Hi, I'm Michelle. Welcome back to Finally Revealed. In this episode, I want to tell you what to expect in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy if you file one. First of all, you can file as an individual whether you are married or single, or if you are married, you both can file together. That's your choice. You will have a petition, schedules, and statement of financial affairs that is filed that will start the bankruptcy. If you don't have all of those filed together, there will be an order issued from the court that will give a deadline that your case will be kicked out if those things are not complied with. You also have to have the filing fee filed. Now, I have another video on how to prepare and what information you need before you meet with your attorney, and I'll put the link below. After you file the case, a notice will be generated that is the order for relief. And this will be something that is sent to all of the creditors that are listed, and it will notify them of the bankruptcy filing. So it's important that your information be complete. That notice will give certain deadlines for there to be objections to some of the information that you have filed. There will also be notification as to when any challenges for transfers or other things involving creditors have to be filed. And there will be a 341 meeting notice given, a date and a time and a place for you to appear with your attorney to meet with the Chapter 7 trustee and be examined. Your creditors also receive this notice, so they will also be able to attend and ask questions. That is going to be generally held in the same building as the courtroom where the judge is, but it will not be in the actual courtroom, so pay attention to where that meeting room is. The Chapter 7 panel trustees are attorneys that are appointed by the U.S. trustee in your federal district, and they govern the administration of the bankruptcy case. They are assigned certain cases, and their job is to make sure that things are done correctly and also to look for any assets or transfers that they can go in and undo, or property they can pull out of the bankruptcy estate and sell those for the benefit of unsecured creditors. At the time that you have filed, you will have given a statement of what you intend to do with certain property. If you retain property, then generally you're going to be asked to sign a reaffirmation agreement with that creditor. So those are going to be agreements that will come to you to review, and for review by your attorney and ultimately approval by the court. So that will be coming after you file the case. There may be actions that are filed against you to undo transfers or other types of actions that are filed by the creditors or others in your bankruptcy case. So those will kind of take on a separate case situation. Like I said, you will have the 341 meeting where you are examined. If all the information is available and provided to the trustee at that time, they will then conclude it, and that you will be finished with that part. If there is other information that the trustee requires or that wasn't ready yet, then the meeting will be continued and you will go back again. Once that is concluded, then there will be other time limits that start to run. If you pass through all of those without any other actions being filed, then you will receive a discharge. There are situations where you will not ever go to court. You will go to the 341 meeting. Your attorney will notify you that the discharge has been issued, and you will then receive notification and you will receive that discharge paper. In other situations, if any other actions have been filed against you or against your property that involve you, then you will possibly go to court depending upon what happens there. So the whole process takes as long as it takes based upon your individual situation, how busy the court is where you live, and how soon you are able to get into that 341 meeting. So ask your attorney when you go in to get everything done, ask them how long their cases have typically taken, and they should be able to give you that information. If you have if this was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Share it with someone who may be considering bankruptcy or is not quite sure what to expect. If you subscribe, you'll see about all of our latest videos. And in any event, I'll be back here, so come back and see me again. Thanks for watching.